So this effect is originally created by Benn. Original video link given on the description below. Recently Adam Alamin created this effect. He used Premiere Pro for making this, but I tried to make this effect on Filmora X. So let's do it. Please see the video to the end and don't skip. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorials. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. Drag your video into the timeline. For making this video, we need a still video like this. I give this video download link in the description. Delete extra part of video. Okay, now take a snapshot 4 times for first frame of this video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need to remove this Eiffel Tower and need to separate all tower part. For this, go Photoshop. You can use any photo editing software. Open all snapshot. Go first snapshot. First we need to remove this tower. For this, select pen tool and select like this. We don't need to do it properly right now. Okay, now click Ctrl plus Enter to make a new selection. Then click Shift plus Backspace to open Fill option. Then select Content Error and click OK. Now click Ctrl plus D for deselect. Okay, now zoom the photo. We need to remove this. For this, select Patch tool and patch like this. Add second time for more perfection. Okay, as you can see, now it's perfect. Now click Ctrl plus S for save this and delete this. Select second snapshot. Now we need to bottom part of Eiffel Tower. Again select pen tool and select bottom part. Now we need to do it properly. Okay, now click Ctrl plus Enter to make a new selection. And click Ctrl plus Shift plus I for invert selection. Then unlock this layer and click Delete button. Then click Ctrl plus D for deselect. And click Ctrl plus S for save this and delete this. Now select third snapshot. Now we need to middle part of Eiffel Tower. So like previous, select with pen tool. Now click Ctrl plus Enter to make a new selection. Then click Ctrl plus Shift plus I for invert selection. Then unlock this layer and click Delete button. Now click Ctrl plus D for deselect. Now click Ctrl plus S for save this and delete this. Now for the last part of Eiffel Tower. Now click Ctrl plus Enter to make a new selection. and click Ctrl plus Shift plus I for invert selection. Then unlock this layer and click Delete button. Then click Ctrl plus D for deselect and Ctrl plus S for save this and close Photoshop. Okay, now go back Filmora again. Now as you can see, are all snapshots saved automatically in project panel. Okay, now add your first snapshot into upper track. Now as you can see, it's still photo. So we need to add mask effect. For this, go effects and search mask. And add to the upper track. Now hide first video track. Then double click on upper track and go video effects. Select any rectangular shape and adjust mask position like this. Okay, now unhide first video and check preview. So as you can see, our no tower shot is done. Now export this video. After export, import this file. Delete all from the timeline and add no tower video into the timeline. Now go 1 second later and add second snapshot. Double click on this and go animation and go customize. Add your first keyframe here and set position while like this. Then go 10 frames later and reset position value. Let's check preview. It's good, but you can see the tower last part is showing here. We need to remove this. For this, split video below animation part. Then copy this part. And paste above animation part. Now go effect and add mask effect on this. Now hide first track. Then double click on video part and go video effect. Select rectangular mask and adjust like this. Now select invert mask and unhide the video track and check preview. So as you can see, it's perfect now. Okay, now delete extra part and export this. After export, import this file. Okay, now add marker on animation first and last part. Now delete all from the timeline and add new video into the timeline. Now go second keyframe and go extra 5 frames later. Then add third snapshot into this. Then add animation like previous. Add keyframe and change position value like this. Then go 10 frames later and reset position value. Let's check preview. Now split video like previous and copy and paste on upper track. Now add mask effect into this. Add rectangular mask. Hide video track and adjust mask according to animation. Okay, now unhide video track and check preview. You need to invert mask option. Now that's perfect. Okay, now delete extra part and export this. After export, import this file and add marker in animation part. Now delete all from the timeline and add new video. Now go last marker and go extra 5 frame later and add last snapshot. Animate this like previous. Change position of Y value like this. Then go 10 frame later and reset value. Let's check preview. Now split video of animation part like previous. Then copy and paste on upper track. Then add mask effect. Add rectangular mask. Hide video track and adjust mask according to animation. Now invert the mask and unhide video and let's check preview. Now delete extra part and export this. Okay, now import this video. Now add marker and delete all from the timeline. Now add new video. Let's take a normal preview. Okay, now let's add sound effect. I have 10 cinematic impact sound effect. Link given on the description below. Now add sound effect in animation part. Add sound effect in all growing part. So let's check preview. Okay, now add shake effect. Go effect and add extreme shake effect into upper track. Double click on this. Set position X to 0. Deactivate motion blur and set frequency to 100. Now add shake effect like this. Okay, let's check preview. Okay, now add a lot for color correction. Let's check our final preview. So our effect is done, so let's export this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial, and also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.